If you are wondering if we can find bloatware on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is yes. We can actually find lots of different apps and that are pre-installed for us for some reason. Many of them are actually games, as you can see over here. This app drawer that you can see over here is right after the initial configuration, and there's lots of things that we should uninstall, I believe. Like many of these games should not be really installed for us. There are also some apps like Temu, for example, Spotify, although I know that probably there are people who use them, of course. There is really no reason at all to have them pre-installed for us. There is also LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, the Amazon Shopping and AliExpress and so on and so forth. So as you can see, many apps that definitely should not be there, but they are. Now, good thing is that we can easily uninstall them. If you press and hold your finger on these apps, then you can find the uninstall option. So at least we can get rid of them rather quickly. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.